This is Lee Marvin. I'm an attorney here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today is August 16th, the anniversary of Elvis's death. We're here today, though, to talk about immigration. There's a series of pretty important things that have happened in the last couple weeks that I want to quickly touch on. Three things. Receipt of public benefits and how that affects green cards and potential naturalization. DACA updates, as well as the zero tolerance era of immigration. Zero tolerance is probably the most disturbing to me as a practitioner of immigration law, because there's a lot of things that are being rejected outright without the ability to have practitioners or even applicants correct different problems with filings or to respond to any requests for additional information. The government is so strict now that it is highly recommended that you talk to an immigration attorney and don't file things yourself, because the government rejects them, and being able to refile them or do an appeal could cost money or could actually not even be possible. So that zero tolerance goes to a lot of different things in immigration right now, including the receipt of public benefits, which is a current thing that the administration is trying to push through. Because it doesn't need congressional support, the executive department can actually do this themselves. So the executive branch, meaning the president, can actually just institute these changes. And right now what the proposal is certain types of public benefits will basically make you qualify as a public charge under immigration laws, which will prevent you from being able to do things like get citizenship or naturalization. Public charges are people that become dependent on the government, and that is written in the law, and that's something that the immigration laws do not tolerate. Things that they're starting to propose to be changed into that realm of a public charge is receipt of Obamacare, vouchers, Section 8 housing, food stamps, WIC benefits for women, infant, and children, and things like that. So if you have children, whether they are either born here or they're permanent residents, and they receive these benefits, that could very well be used against the immigrant in the future if they want to or decide to try to move forward with their immigration processes. So talk to an immigration professional before you make that decision of whether to accept or apply for those public benefits. DACA is the last issue that's been ongoing for honestly years, ever since it started. Right now, there's been federal litigation in California, New York, Washington, D.C., and Texas. The first three states and jurisdictions, it is pro-DACA and anti-Trump administration. Texas is expected to be pro-Trump administration and anti-DACA. The Texas arguments happened on August 8th, so just a week ago they happened, and the judge still hasn't made a decision about how he's going to take those arguments and how that's going to apply to the future of DACA. But as of right now, the injunction against the Trump administration eliminating DACA is still in existence. So if you've previously had a DACA approval, you can continue to renew that until told otherwise. So if you have that and you're coming up on your 6-month renewal time, definitely plan on doing that. Do not do it before that 6 months, because they'll reject it. You have to wait for that 6-month period to start, for that window to open up for you, and just keep happy thoughts and be positive about the future. I think the DACA will stay, but it remains to be seen how it will be implemented in the future, if it will be expanded to the full DACA or if it will be just renewals. But please stand by. Our office will be here to provide these updates as they come. Once again, Attorney Lee Marvin in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Have a very nice weekend.